Unlock the cinematic potential of your Sony A7 IV and transform your footage into breathtaking visual stories. Achieving a cinematic look starts with understanding your camera's settings for that classic film feel. Let's dive into frame rates. Aim for 24 frames per second, the standard for movies, which gives you that familiar motion blur, while higher frame rates like 60 or 120 fps are great for slow motion. Stick to 24 fps for your primary cinematic shots. Next, picture profiles are crucial. Sony's Slog3 is your best friend for maximum dynamic range, allowing for incredible flexibility in post-production. While Cine profiles offer a good starting point, Slog3, combined with a lookup table in editing, will give you that truly professional grading. Your choice of lens also matters immensely. Prime lenses with wider apertures, like f/18 or f/14, create beautiful background blur or bokeh, isolating your subject and adding depth. Experiment with focal lengths like 35mm or 50mm for versatile, natural-looking cinematic compositions. Finally, post-processing is where the magic truly happens. Use editing software to apply your chosen LUT, adjust exposure, contrast, and color to refine that cinematic aesthetic. With the right settings, lenses, and a keen eye for editing, your Sony A7 IV can produce truly cinematic masterpieces.